I want to show this beautiful leaf I found because it's the only yellow one and brown.
Oh, really? Oh, let me clean the... You find it? Hold on.
And I found this beautiful flower.
Aww. Cool, London.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And here you go.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, I'm supposed to be doing like re-cleaning up the house before I start off the week. You found another beautiful one?
Yeah.
Wow. But this is what I'm doing.
Ripping it.
How cool. Oh, snappers. The whole getting wet situation. Oh, snap, London. What is that? The little unicorn that Miss London ended up getting on Easter? They got super spoiled on Easter, which...
It's like Christmas.
Got a lot of goodies, right?
Like Christmas. We don't need nothing for Christmas no more. Just kidding. Just kidding. We need more toys.
Oh, no. Excuse me. No, I think we're good. I want to do like a whole little review on a kit that I got from one of my coworkers, and I'm going to share that in a bit. Super cool. It's like a little face kit. Okay, yeah. Hi. Loki, how are you? What is it called?
Inflatable.
Inflatable, but it's like a sprinkler.
It's slippery. Ooh.
It fell. It fell. Super fast. You're running super fast. Yeah. You're so sweet. Thank you, Mom. You're just so cute. Baby. Meet Mr. Loki. Loki. One of the cutest things I find about Loki is that he likes to lay down comfortably and just eat his food. I don't think I've ever seen any dog that I've owned do this, so I thought that was so adorable.
You don't want to eat this? You don't want to eat this one? It's way bigger than
Okay,
that.
so I can see you like these, right? Better than that one? It's the exact same thing.
It's the same brand.
I'm trying to find out what toys Mr. Loki likes. He likes toys like this. And socks. A lot of socks. Likes this one too.
Yeah, because
Look at how cute your bed is. Got a bone little bed. Oh, yeah, that was really cool. What are you doing? Here's the Fruit Babies Bestseller kit that I ended up getting as a gift from one of my coworkers. We have a cleanse, a toner, an eye mask, a moisturizing hydrator, and a mask for sleeping. I'm new to skincare products, but I can definitely tell the quality in these products. Amazing. So this one is a watermelon sleeping mask. I have to say, I tried it out. I cannot even believe how amazing this feels. Very soft, very silky kind of texture on the skin. It just feels like you just put a blanket on your face, honestly. Now this retinol cream, I did place some in my under eyes. I do love the smell. I love the texture. It's very creamy. Definitely excited to add this to my facial routine. This one is a gentle cleanser. I just love the whole little packaging. All of them are glass. Have the Glow Recipe Watermelon PHA BHA Pore Tightener. This is definitely something I've been wanting to add to my routine. Here we have a pink moisturizing pink juice, but I just absolutely love this whole set. I love the way they do smell. It's not like a strong pungent fragrance, very natural, very organic smelling, you know, but I just love the whole set. I have to say, even though these are not full size, I can tell this is going to last me a long time because a little bit goes a long way. I'll see if I can update you guys on these products later on. Okay, so we're in my bathroom, changed up, put my hair up, and obviously my glasses are different, but you might not care, whatever. I'm gonna show you how I ended up using each product. The Makeup Erasing Deep Cleanser, and since I have some makeup on, meaning like some concealer a little bit and like eyeliner, just gonna put it. Okay, so I feel it foaming up a little bit. I'm gonna wash it. Off camera, I did another wash, a little bit more of a thorough wash because I didn't even put any water. I don't know why. I just wanted to like slap it right on. But I feel like I wanted to give a little bit more detail about the gentle cleanser. I feel like my face literally got everything out. It feels very nice. The texture on this one is slimier. I know you couldn't get like a really good look. It's very funny how the texture is. Second product is obviously, as we have washed the face, this is a hydration and restoration.
What is that?
This will basically hydrate the skin, so we're just going to dab it on. This one is watery. I can smell a very light fragrance. I feel like it quickly dries up as I put it on my face. Just dabbing it on. As the first step, I washed and cleansed everything off. Makes sense. You need some hydration on this skin, right? Just feels really nice. This one says it has cactus water, willow bark, and hyaluronic acid. Is a pore refining hyaluronic acid. Hydrating. Love it. So now to step 3. This one is also another hydrant. The only thing is that it states that it is a moisturizer, because I feel like I want to try out more or different types of moisturizers. I currently don't have a moisturizer, so I am going to use it right now. See how that is. So it's a hydrating and soothing serum, and we're just going to go ahead and do the whole. Oh, whoa. We have a little bit of that. Oh, this one feels also kind of creamy. I love the skin feeling hydrated and moisturized, but I feel like I don't struggle with dry skin. I feel like my skin is normally in a good texture. Obviously, as we all get older, the skin tends to need more hydration. That's why I like to implement, you know, water and all that stuff, but there's only so much. So you want to also, I also want to add these products to my skincare routine. This actually feels really nice. I feel like I just washed my face again. So very cool. Love that for me. The next product I have is honestly something that I would obviously use before bed. I'm not going to bed right now. So this is a sleeping mask, and I did use it already for bed. And I know I showed you what it looks like. It's very liquidy, but also, and it feels very nice and like a nice blanket, like a pillow. I don't even know if that sounds pleasing, but that's how I can best express, I guess. And this one, I think I am going to put some on. It does say that it's an eye sleeping mask, so I guess I shouldn't, but it's a retinol, so that's very cool for me to add as well. It's brightening and affirming. Overall, these products are really nice. I feel like obviously I would need to use it on a consistent basis to start seeing more results. As of right now, they feel amazing, and I just enjoyed that whole process. I hope you guys did too. I hope this was somewhat helpful. If you haven't used these products before, I've never used this, so I thought that was really cool to review. But yes, I am all set. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, a little bit of everything. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you on my next video. All right, bye guys.